Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet sun hat that's going to be perfect for all your summer outings. We've already done part 1 of the video series and we've already done part 3. This is part 2 where I'm going to show you how to do the increases to create the beautiful brim. In the 3-part video series, we're going to start with working the crown. Then we're going to switch to the offset shell stitch pattern and work the walls of the hat. Then do a concentrated row of increases and work a slightly modified stitch pattern for the brim in the second video. And then in the third and final video, I'll show you how to add wire to the brim of the hat to give you this beautiful structure. I'll link the other 2 videos in the video description, and you can also download the pattern on my website as well as order the linen yarn that we'll be using today called Be So Fresh. Let's get started. First video we worked on the crown and then we worked on the walls, and now in the second video we're going to work on the brim, and that's where we're going to do a set of concentrated increases in one round and then work the rest of the brim even in pattern. So the first round of the brim begins with single crochet in the center of the next shell, and then 7 treble crochets in the next single crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And we're going to do this for a total of 7 times. Okay, so now in the previous rounds of the stitch pattern we did 5 treble crochets alternating with 1 single crochet. So this is the beginning of establishing our new modified pattern for the brim, and that's going to be alternating single crochet with 7 treble crochets as we go forward. So this is our setup round. You want to repeat this all the way around, single crochet in the top of the 5 treble crochet cluster and 7 treble crochets in the single crochet. We're going to repeat this all the way around, and then I'll show you how to do the increase round next. Okay, so we've worked all the way around. We now have sections of single crochet alternating with sections of 7 treble crochet shells. On the increase round, what we're going to do is do a different repeat because we're going to be trying to make it twice as many shells on this round so that the hat will then work out flat for the brim. So how we do that is we follow the pattern. The pattern says to skip the first treble crochet and single crochet in the next treble crochet. Then it says skip the next treble crochet and work 7 treble crochets in the next treble crochet. Then we're going to skip the next treble crochet and single crochet in the next treble crochet. Skip the next treble crochet, and in the next single crochet work 7 treble crochets. Okay, and that's what we're going to repeat all the way around. We're going to work skip 1 treble crochet, single crochet in the next, skip 1 treble crochet, 7 treble crochets in the next treble crochet, skip 1 treble, single crochet in the next treble, skip 1 treble, and 7 treble crochets in the next single crochet. And you want to repeat that all the way around. After the increase round, your hat may look a little ruffled like this, but that's okay because we're going to work the rest of the brim even in pattern. This ruffle will end up flattening itself out as we go. So now we want to begin the working even in pattern round, and this round is what we're going to repeat for the rest of the project. So first we want to single crochet in the center of the 7 treble crochet shell. and then we want to work 7 treble crochets in the next single crochet. So now for the remainder of this round and all rounds for the rest of the brim, we're going to single crochet in the top of the 7 treble crochet shell below and work 7 treble crochets in the next single crochet. You're going to repeat this all the way around this round and all the rest of the rounds for the brim. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add wire to the brim of the hat. Don't forget to watch the other 2 videos in this series so you get all of the tips and tricks for making this beautiful sun hat. Download the pattern on my website. Also find the Be So Fresh yarn on my website and the videos here on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please leave them for me here in the comments. I'd love to see the hats you're making as well. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.